What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk about this position that I haven't talked about in a while. It's been probably maybe 2 weeks that I've talked about it, and I feel as though we need to get some news out here about this play, and I was waiting for something to drop. Now we have newer news that happened, hours ago that I feel is really, really great for this project as well as, other projects that are kind of looking to do the same thing, right? Within exchanges, within the just the crypto market in general, right? We are so used to seeing these positions that mint a lot of plays, right? We even got a snippet of a new cryptocurrency today, World Token, right, or World Coin, that has a 1% circulating supply. We're so used to things that are either minting or things that are heavily diluting the position um, at a massive extent, right? You see the same thing with Jasmy Coin. They heavily diluted the position, which once they fully diluted, it made me want to invest into the play because I know that there's so much upside from there. Now, this play that I'm talking about today, that I haven't talked about in a while, is Elmo token. If you aren't familiar with what Elmo token is, it is a hyper deflationary project that is meant to burn as much coins or tokens as possible. And seeing how much can be burned with this play opens the doors for so many other positions that are out there that are kind of looking to do the same thing. And, kind of establishes this one as being the first to do so. We've seen plays out there that claim to be hyper deflationary, but they aren't. And this doesn't only claim to be hyper deflationary, it is hyper deflationary. It walks the walk and talks the talk, right? It does everything that it needs to do in order to burn off this Elmo, right? Now, I'm going to get into this, guys, in this video. Make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. If you guys want to check out Elmo for yourself, the link will be down below for you guys to look at it, to see what it's doing, to see how much is in the circulating supply, to see all the different detail. They're very transparent. Definitely go ahead and check that out. But hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below for my Twitter, also my Patreon, as well as some referral links to different exchanges and stuff. So anyways, let's talk about Elmo and show you where it is right now. So this is the position, Elmo ERC, currently at 73% of a penny. It's up 13% today. You see everything else in the market that's down besides Dogecoin, and you see Elmo that's up 13%. You're seeing 15% increase in volume, $176,000 that's going through this, as well as seeing the market cap at a $2.2 million market cap. The volume to market cap ratio is 33%, showing that it does have popularity, that you do see movement, you do see a lot of money that's flowing into this on a daily basis, which is absolutely phenomenal. And again, it's up 13%. So in no time, we'll probably see this up at a penny. We'll see this up at 2 cents or 3 cents like it was before. If you look at the circulating supply and what they are showing here, it's not reported, it's self-reported here, not fully verified. You're seeing 311 million coins that they have listed there. But if we go over to the contract, you're going to see how much they do have, which is 365 million coins, or sorry, 361 million coins. You're looking at 3,326 holders, and you are seeing a little bit of an increase within those holders. So the reason why I'm making this video and talking about any type of new news that we do have here is because Elmo has done something pretty great. And what they have done is, I'm going to go over to Twitter to show you guys right now. For some reason, it logged me out of Twitter. Oh, you know what? It didn't log me out of Twitter. It's a different logo. I forgot what Elon Musk did, changing the logo. So currently, if you look at my Twitter account, you're going to see that Elmo is currently, or has burned 1 million tokens in a strategic buyback on an exchange. So basically, the exchange sends them the money, and they're burning that because of how much volume has gone through, which is absolutely phenomenal to see how much has been burned. And the consistency of burning is big. They've already burned off over 60% of their token supply. This is big because this is a true hyper deflationary position that does it with every single transaction. And it's not one of those plays to where you just have a couple of markets that it's on, right? You only have one market and then you have the DEX side of everything. No, you have multiple markets. You have volume that's flowing through Bitmart. $260,000 is going through Bitmart. LBank, $265,000. Bitforex, $198,000. And then Coin W, which is $177,000. So you're seeing a lot of money that's going through Elmo and seeing 13% overall increase. So either way, we're seeing a ton of burns that are coming from different places and not just one place. That's absolutely amazing to see. So if you guys are interested in Elmo, definitely go ahead and check it out. Literally give it a check, give it a scrub down. If you guys think that, you know, there's something that's not legitimate with it, go ahead and look into everything. They're very transparent with everything that they are doing there, and they let their groups know what they're doing and when things will be done. And I just wanted to get this information out here because, again, burning 1 million tokens of anything is phenomenal, especially when you have a overall supply of 360. You know, you're burning 1 million, or you're burning 2 million, or even burning 3 million. Like, you're burning 1% of the supply every time you burn 3 million tokens. Seeing it at a lower price, as we're seeing more purchases, as we're seeing more, selling and stuff that's going through, we're seeing more that's burning. The thing that makes this interesting, if you aren't familiar with Elmo, is the fact that they're not doing this just on a buying side. They're not doing this on a buying side at all. They're doing this only on a selling side. So when you do have somebody that sells a position, it benefits the people that are holding for the long term or for a longer term, because you are now seeing it have a higher price ceiling as you burn down that supply. So ultimately, I'm happy with what Elmo is doing. I wanted to get a video out here just to talk about the 1 million that has burned. But since the last time we looked at it, you know, it was at 364 or 365 million or something like that. So now seeing it at about 362-ish, under 362-ish million, is freaking phenomenal. It's amazing to see burning that's going on, and you know that I'm a big fan of burns. So guys, let me know what you think about Elmo token. I know there's some people that might not be fans of it, but I encourage you to do your own research. I encourage you to check it out, and hopefully you see the same thing that I see. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.